Airlock relay is an important accessory for the control valve because, as the name suggests, it basically locks the air between the positioner output and the actuator. It does not allow to release the air, and in this way it holds the last position of the valve. So it can be two types, or it can be used in single acting. Single acting airlock relay is an instrument used in pneumatically operated single acting actuators and power cylinders to hold its position to remain stay put condition. In the event of the air failure or if the air pressure drops below the preset pressure, the airlock relay resets automatically to auto mode when the air pressure restores. It is connected between the positioner and actuator. And this is the standard specification of a typical single acting airlock relay. And as you can see here, the lots of parameters are specified, like test pressure, the pressure at which the airlock relay has to be tested so that there is no leakage. Set pressure, what is the range at which the airlock relay can be pressure can be adjusted, and inlet pressure and differential pressure and flow rate. Also the temperature, connection, weight and material. Now see, this flow rate is of critical importance here because this flow rate and this set pressure range, because depending on the actuator this will vary, and this specification have to be correct for the proper operation of the airlock relay. And this is just a view of the airlock relay. Here is a knob by which by rotating you can adjust the set pressure. Similarly, there is double acting airlock relay is also available. Double acting airlock relay is an instrument used in pneumatically operated double acting actuators and power cylinder to hold its position to remain in stay put condition in the event of air failure or if the air pressure drops below the preset pressure. The airlock relay is connected between the positioner and actuator. Again, this is a specification for the double acting airlock relay.